Welcome back. Just patiently waiting. I want to talk to you about something. Get your opinion. This is the biggest waste of space I've genuinely ever seen in my entire life. I think it makes 0 sense. I almost feel like I should get one of those Uline like shelves. I think this is timed, so I guess I'm just gonna chill. I just got some groceries, so I'll show you. Grapes, got strawberries, blueberries, spinach, bananas. It's sumo season. They're so good. Got honey crisps. This is like a new hyperfixation meal where I make a really great bolognese and then put it in the squash. I'll film it the next time I make it because it will probably be in this vlog. Somehow I accidentally bought 2 Parmesans. I got more garlic. I love when an Instacart gets good avocados. And then I got this tomato paste. I tried to just get normal tomato paste, but this one says it's sun-dried, which I feel like could be really good. I almost forgot. Honey maple turkey, a little bit of rotisserie chicken. Okay, it's time to do what I've been putting off for 2 hours since waking up, which is, it's time to unpack. Vlog. I'm vlogging the full day, if I remember, which I will. I will. I think I might make a marinade for some steak right now. And it's really easy because you just mix everything in a blender. I got this steak from the butcher down the street. I asked him like, oh, do you do like really thin sliced? Because I feel like that's why every time I make this recipe, I don't like it that much, because my best friend's mom, who's like an expert at this Korean barbecue, always has like really thinly sliced meat. I kind of want to make a cookbook, like, not for you guys, obviously, I'm not a chef, but like for myself, like all my favorite recipes that like my mom has, my best friend's moms have, or my grandpa, or things that I just come up with that I really end up liking, or things I find online that I make on repeat. Like, I kind of feel like I should make my own personal cookbook of all my favorite recipes, so when I'm like, what do I eat? It's everything I know I'm obsessed with in one book. Ideal if you have an Asian pear, but we have an apple. Wow, that's a lot. He did such a good job. This is the best blender I've ever purchased / used. Perfection. I'm looking at SeatGeek. My friends and I have been talking about wanting to do like more activities now that we're all back in the city. and like more concerts. I love SeatGeek. I love working with them. Thank you, SeatGeek, for sponsoring this, but also making my concert and basketball life very easy. So hypothetically, if we did want to go to Olivia Jade, I love SeatGeek because it has a rating, so you want to basically just search for the green because that means you're getting the best deal and it's a great ticket, and then red means bad, so avoid that. If you're unfamiliar, SeatGeek is the #1 ticketing app. I think it has over like 35 million downloads, and it just makes buying tickets really easy. That's how I saw the Nutcracker last month. I just bought my tickets on SeatGeek and it was super easy. But especially with the new year, that means there's so many new artists on tour, and to make it even better, you guys can use my code Olivia Jade to get 10% off your SeatGeek tickets. If you want, you can click the link in my description box and download the SeatGeek app, and then the code will be automatically added to your account so you can use it later. And I really hope you go and see something fun wherever you are. They have like, I think over 70,000 different events and things going on. So if one of your goals this year is just to get out more, do more, have a little fun, maybe SeatGeek is your answer. Thanks, SeatGeek. Once again, that's code Olivia Jade for 10% off. I'll put all the info somewhere, maybe on the screen, down below. You'll find it. Also, preheating my oven to bake bread. Unfortunately, it was really squished. I don't think that's gonna work out. I'm organizing my sweats and shirts because we put shelves in. I hope this is more efficient. We shall see. I think I have too many comfy shirts and pants. It's my main wardrobe, I feel like. Pretty cool. Now I have so much more space. I was going through this thing. So much random stuff. More makeup. I don't really know where to begin. I emptied out some of the dresser drawers, so I could put stuff in there because I'll show you. I moved my pajamas to here, which took up like 6 drawers in my dresser. I think I might move sweaters there because now a lot of these drawers are free. Donating a lot and then trashing some stuff. I'm gonna donate this because it hasn't been opened. Really nice curtain rings. I'm gonna donate those too because maybe somebody will need them. I have a lot of unopened makeup as well that I'll probably donate / maybe make bags for some of my girlfriends. I'm gonna text and see who needs like restocks. Bringing out the big guns. I just put a label there. and then it hides. I love a label maker. They taste like ocean salt water, but I don't really like flavored, like artificial flavored electrolytes. It makes me not want to drink my water. Salt, I can get behind. Like, I love the taste of salt, but it does kind of taste like you're swallowing the sea. I would like to work out / edit, so maybe I'll do the treadmill, get some more work done. Not super heavy weights, but I do think this is the year that I incorporate a little bit of strength training because I hear it's good for you. Okay, let's go. Going out with friends. It's Friday. The only issue is I go places where you can't take photos or video. The 2 places I'm going tonight are private members clubs, so I can't film. But I'll try and get some sneaky footage of my friends at some point. Or if we go out dancing or something. I did like a smokier eye than I normally do, but it's fine. I could put a necklace on, like a choker. Okay. Hey vlog. I didn't film anything last night, but we did have a sleepover.
This is the sign of a good night.
Woo!
Look at the coach. I love the coach so much. He's so hot. He's 39. He's hot.
Let the rain fall down and wake my dreams. Let it wash away the sanity. 'Cause I wanna feel the thunder on the street. I wanna feel the thunder on the street.
It's like for your mom. I'll get excited about it.
Turn me down!
Olivia, you say.
I'll get.
Gotta go.
Bye.
So,
Bye.
Night vlog.